9 kilometers away from Pamukkale. We just crossed the Denzili city. Quite big, a lot of traffic. Nice city surrounded by mountains. Welcome. Which garden is Pamukkale. It's already evening, so we have to leave early tomorrow to catch our flight from Izmir to Istanbul. So I don't think so we'll be able to see anything here, but the scenery is nice. The drive was very good. A lot of scenic drive. Alright guys, we have reached here and let's see if we can see anything. posted. Hey guys, we are here finally at Pamukkale. Time is 8:56. 7:54, and it closed at 8. So we have 1 hour. So instead of walking, we thought probably I can take my car on the hill and try to make some video from there and see if I can get some footage. I asked a couple of people, I said how it looks. One was not sure. Another one says it's still something to see there. So let's see. Hello, how much is the parking?
10 lira.
10 lira. How you go up there, up the mountain?
Michael!
Let me ask him. Michael. So 10 lira you park here down. How you go up to the mountain?
Yes.
How you drive up?
Yes.
Drive?
Yes.
How?
English.
English? No.
Now here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Driver this way up here, parking here, okay? Yes. Yes. Parking here, entry here, you working this way here. Ha, madam? Okay. Bir çocuk var mı, baby?
No.
Ha.
Okay, so if we park here, then we go up there and walk?
Now here, okay? You working this way, working, okay? Driver this way, driver this way, you parking here, entry, you working this way here. Also terraces Pamukkale. Looking.
So, walking here, right?
Yes, looking Thermal Cleopatra English book.
Okay.
Nice book, good price in English book. Here.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so the driving up there, we tried to take our car, but then the road was getting kind of confusing. So we came back, and now we're gonna walk up there. And the people are trying to sell, I don't know what is that. So the price is 110 lira for this Pamukkale thing, and then this Cleopatra pool you have to pay extra, but you can walk around and see since we are here, time is short. We're trying to, you know, see whatever we can. So otherwise we're just gonna sleep and leave for Izmir tomorrow. I do see people are still going up there. So I don't know. In the summer I thought there would be nothing, but just since we are here, so just check it out.
Sen kafayı mı yedin? Anladım. Var ya ferah ferah yani.
I thought that's a ticketing area, but it's not. People are still sitting here inside. That's front of us there. Walking again. But it's not like it was in the Bodrum or Cheshmi. There was a sunlight was unbelievable.
Afyon'a vuruyor herif kendisi. Köylerine bir
Come on, it's only 1 hour left. So many people are still here. So 220. Yeah.
Geleceklerini sor. Geleceklerini zannetmiyorum.
For Kalapatra pool, that's extra.
Kleopatra upstairs, extra pay that.
Okay. So we got into the gate. That's where we coming from. And I'm still surprised it's only 1 hour left. And so many people, they are going up there. So